Hey guys, I am Darshan Gala and I am back again with some amazing videos for you all. So in this lockdown, all of us are hooked to TV shows, movies, web series on Netflix, Amazon, etc. Right? We laze around all day doing nothing productive. So how about we start by being little productive each day by reading books that are practically useful in our life. It seems to be boring, मन नहीं होता, कंटाला आता है and all because आपको books का importance नहीं पता. You don't know how it's useful and how it can enrich your knowledge and wisdom. So one day I read a book which led me to another one and I found myself hooked to reading books and it actually brought the best out of me. So what I'm gonna do is I'll make videos on the books that I've read so far in this lockdown and I will be giving an overview of the same for you to know the gist of the book and we'll leave it up to you to find its importance and gain the best out of it. So let's begin.